Okay, so now you see I have opened my PowerPoint. I'm using PowerPoint for this. First, I have chosen the topic, McDonald's is better than KFC. So it's a very simple topic. What did I do next? I choose 10 pictures. Okay, if you can see, you see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pictures, meaning 10 slides, and I only put pictures on that. Okay, no text at all. But the trick is for every slide, I included notes down here. Okay, so remember, Pecha Kucha presentation, meaning every slide every slide here, you need to only talk about 20 seconds. 20 seconds is an effective time range or duration that you can use to talk when you're referring to one visual aid behind you. So that's why they make it 20 seconds. So what did I do to make sure that my speech will only be for 20 seconds for each slide? I write down my script in the note down here. So if you notice on PowerPoint, you can actually pull up and then you can write something down here. So what did I do? I just type, I do have structure for my speech because first I would introduce about fast food and then a bit on the thesis statement, okay, like McDonald's is better than KFC. And then I have reasons why, okay, several reasons why. And the rest of the pictures are all the reasons. So you see, although I am only using pictures, I still have my structure and I have my ending as well, the conclusion. So you do that. The only thing that is going to help you is the pictures. Okay, but usually speakers would already memorize what they want to talk about. But for beginners, to make it beginners friendly, you can use this. You can write the script on your notes. Okay, and when you were presenting, you need to have the slides automatically changes after 20 seconds is done. What you can do is you can do it like this. You go to transition, but before that you can select all slide, okay? You can click one and then you can just, you see, I highlight everything. And then you go to advanced slide on top of, on the right top here. And then on the after, you can just write 0.20. So meaning this is 20 seconds lah, okay? Okay, so that's that. How I do when I want to record this presentation, you can follow this if you want. If you are using this this PowerPoint, okay, this is PowerPoint 365. You can go to slideshow and then you can record from the beginning. Okay, you will see something like this. Actually, you can just switch on your camera. The camera will show up here. So your face will be shown. And what's good with this is you can actually open the notes. So when you're presenting, you can read the notes here. Okay. So, and the time will be counting down here. So what can you do? You can do it like this and start record. Okay. And you can see the countdown down here. So what can you do is you can just present. Okay. And so you can just refer to this one. Once you see that the 20 seconds is almost done, you can just click next, next, and until the end. Once you're done with the presentation, you can just click stop. And then you can just close it here. And there will be this, the camera, the recording of you will be included down here. Okay. So I'm going to show you how I do my Pecha Kucha presentation on this topic. So you can watch. Okay, I'm going to start now. So you can watch and listen, okay? Okay, everyone loves fast food. Just imagine hamburgers, fries, nuggets, ice cream, everything you can get from a simple order over the counter. You don't have to wait long to be served. Sometimes you don't even have to dine in. You can just drive through. There would always be days when we crave for something greasy and salty, and fast food comes to save the day. Now, imagine you and your friends meeting up after your class has ended. And the famous question is where to eat. It's good when everyone agrees to get some fast food. What's wrong with getting some greasy food sometimes, right? But then some people would suggest KFC and some would suggest McDonald's lah. And then there would be the moment, oh no. Here comes the time to tell them that when it comes to fast food products and services, there is only one thing you can choose. In Malaysia, the two biggest rivals are KFC and McDonald's. But today I'm going to tell you that McDonald's is better than KFC. And actually, I have several reasons why I say that. Okay. Oops. Okay, first, McDonald's has the best breakfast and desserts. Face it, KFC breakfast just can't compare with McDonald's. The pancake set is one of a kind. The muffins, scrambled eggs, and sausages are awesome. And they change their McFlurry every season, you know, like we have Oreo, we have caramels and all. And though they also have their own McCafe for your fancy coffee fix. So you don't have to like go to Starbucks to get it. And second, McDonald's is 24 hours. It's rare to find KFC outlet that operates for 24 hours. The latest they open would be like 11 p.m. But look at McDonald's. All its outlets are open for 24 hours. You can go to McDonald's after your late night study session and get your fix of cheeseburger and fries, just like that. Third, McDonald's have better toys. You would say KFC has its own cheeky meal, but from my experience, Happy Meals from McDonald's gave me much more happiness. Their toys are much more up to date and much more interesting. And the fries that come with it, that comes with the Happy Meal, is just much better than the ones from KFC cheeky meal. Next, McDonald's has its own McCafe. Just look at these pictures, all these coffees. Here, is where you could fulfill your artisan coffee craving. As long as you have McDonald's in your area, you don't need to look for Starbucks. This is not comparable to KFC at all. KFC only has its own common coffee and tea where you can just add some sugars. We just want ice mocha and McDonald's has it. McDonald's has its yearly prosperity season. Where else can you get this oblong burger and that curly fries? Nothing beats the fries during this season. And it's always anticipated all year long. KFC do have changes in its menu, but they're never consistent. But we get prosperity burgers every year. Lastly, McDonald's has self-checkout kiosks. You don't have to queue long in line and wait for a mother of five to make her order in front of you. Just few touches, tap here and there, and your order is sent to the kitchen. And you can just take your number to your seat, wait for the staff to send your meals to you. So KFC is still way too far behind this. So people, convince your friends. McDonald's have pretty much better things that they offer, from the food, the drive-through service, and even the deliveries. They even have comfortable restaurants interior where you can sit, relax as you enjoy your meals. So those were the reasons why I'm saying McDonald's is better than KFC. Thank you. Okay, so I hope you noticed that I was looking into my script because yes, I was referring to the notes that I have, and you can also do that, okay? So those were my Pecha Kucha presentation. You can do it much better by memorizing and practicing for every picture. So what I want you to do now is your task for this week. Okay, let me add the instruction for you here, okay? Where's layout? All right. So your task for this week will be to do a Pecha Kucha presentation, just 10 slides, 20 seconds per slide. And your title of topic should be something fun. So please do something like this. You can choose anything. Like what I did McDonald's is better than KFC. You can do whatever you want. Like maybe staying at home is better than going outside, or traveling alone is better than traveling in group, or whatever you want. But I want the theme of your Pecha Kucha presentation to be this: something is better than something, okay? And then you prepare 10 pictures, okay? 10 pictures like this. And then don't forget to change the transition for each slide. It should be 20 seconds. Okay, so if you click this one slide, it should show like this, 20 seconds. Because when you do the slideshow, it will automatically change when the 20 seconds are up. And you can use to record yourself, you can use Zoom, okay, Zoom meeting like the one I'm using just now. You can just use Zoom because it will automatically be downloaded into your file, into your folder. All right, so that is this week's task. And that's the recording of lecture for today. I hope I can watch your presentation by next week. Okay, so the deadline will be before our class next week, so next Thursday. So yeah, that's all. And don't forget to also complete your PowerPoint demonstration, which is the assignment, meaning you can do this one first and do the assignments after that. Okay, this is just a simple activity. You can choose whatever fun topics that you want. I just want you to practice to use images when you are presenting. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.